Hello everyone, friends. This is Franklin, and you're on the Franklin Trade Channel. In this video, I want to show you my trading, as well as demonstrate how my Quantum AI bot works. Be sure to watch this video until the end so you can see the final result and not miss anything. And also be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything and always stay up to date with new videos. Alright, let's get started. So I've already prepared the currency pairs. I have $50 in my balance, and today I'll be working with this amount. It's a small balance, so let's see how it goes. Friends, before we start trading, let me remind you that trading always involves risk. Manage your money. Keep an eye on your balance. This is really important, so don't forget it. So the first currency pair is Euro to Japanese Yen. I'm going to the list and selecting the asset I need. Here we go everyone, as we prepare to enter a 10-second short trade. Sell. Let's go ahead and open the trade. The trade is now officially open, and now we simply wait and carefully watch the result unfold. And there we have it. The trade closes with a very confident profit. Super, super. No need for any extra words here. Let's move on to the next step. The next currency pair we will be looking at is the US dollar to Canadian dollar, also known as USD to CAD. Let's go ahead and open up the currency pair on our trading platform. Now let's immediately set the correct balance for this particular trade. The balance is now set. Opening the list, USD/CAD, 10 seconds, let's go, buy. We've opened it, and now we just wait and watch how the strategy performs. Waiting, the trade is in progress, just waiting. Awesome friends, just awesome, worked out perfectly, another profit. Let's not waste any words and move straight on. The next pair is British pound to Japanese yen. Let's open the currency pair we need, go to the trading platform. Now let's first set the balance. We set it up carefully, then go over to the platform and find the specific asset we need, British pound to Japanese yen. In just about 10 seconds, we decide to buy, and then we say, let's go. Now we are waiting, watching as the trade is open and active, monitoring its progress. We're waiting. In the process, there it is friends. Another trade in the bank. Closed perfectly, just perfect friends. Well, you can see for yourselves, we're moving up step by step. Let's move on to the next currency pair, British pound to Australian dollar. This should be interesting. Let's open the currency pair we need, friends. Okay, let's set the balance right away. So, let's go to the list. We find the currency pair we need, 10 seconds, sell. Let's go. We wait, just wait and watch how the market behaves, how it plays out. There you go, friends. It worked out great. Super, a very accurate signal. We worked on the impulse, on the correction, and I think that's very solid. Now let's move on to the next currency pair. Here we have the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. Okay, let's open this currency pair. Alright, we're in. Let's set the balance right away. Actually, let's make it a habit to set it immediately as soon as we switch to a new currency pair so we don't forget or get confused. Let's go to the list, find the asset we need, Canadian dollars, Swiss franc, 10 seconds, buy, let's go. The trade is open, friends. We entered on a very strong impulse, a really good situation in my opinion. An excellent win, friends, just perfect. An excellent win, a clear situation, super. You can see it for yourselves. Let me remind you, we started with $50, friends. That means something. Let's move on to the next currency pair, Euro Swiss franc. The pair opened like that, so let's set the balance right away. Done, we've set our balance. And let's go back to the list. Euro, Swiss franc, 10 seconds, buy. Let's go. We've opened the trade and now we just wait for the result. Just wait and watch how the market reacts, how the trade plays out. There it is, friends. Fantastic, just fantastic. Excellent result. Everything's in the balance. You can see it all for yourselves. I'm satisfied. I like it. This is a great indicator, friends. So let's move right on to the next currency pair. Let's switch to, I think, the Australian dollar. Dollar, right? Well, why not? Let's go for it. We've crossed over. Let's set the balance right away. Ugh. Balance has been set. So, well, let's look for it in the list. Australian dollar. Dollar. We must have it somewhere. Now, friends, here she is. Missed it. She was at the very beginning. The balance has been set. Everything's correct. Everything's correct. 10 seconds. Purchase. Let's go. We've opened the trade. Now we just wait for the result, wait for the final result, and see how it turns out. Well, the signal worked out perfectly. Just awesome, friends. You can see everything for yourselves. Everything is on the balance. Pocket option platform, I'm working. Great result. Excellent. Well, I think let's probably do the last one. Yes, the last trade. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I think that's perfect. It suits us. Let's open this currency pair. All right, everything's open. Let's set the balance. Set it right away. Right away. Okay, the balance is set. Let's move on to the list of pairs. We find the asset we need. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, 10 seconds, purchase, let's go. We wait. We just wait, friends, and see how the technology performs. Wow, guys, just wow, that was amazing, finally. But you can see for yourselves, this is fantastic. From $50, I remind you, from $50, thanks to Quantum, all my results are right in front of you. We went through this journey, and I am very satisfied, friends. I am really very satisfied. In this video, the whole point was to show you how I work, how I trade, and what this technology can actually do. This is my AI bot, and you saw for yourselves what it can do. Friends, you can easily test it yourself. It's absolutely free. You don't need anything. All the links are in the description. In the description under this video, you'll find a link to this bot, as well as to my Telegram channel where you can chat with me. I also share trading sessions there and a lot of other useful information. You'll see everything there, so give it a like. Thanks all for watching. See you soon in new videos. Bye.